The S197 GPS drone is a high-performance quadcopter built for aerial photography enthusiasts and professionals. With advanced features like obstacle avoidance, 8K EIS dual-lens HD camera, GPS-assisted flight, and 5G FPV map transmission, this drone offers an exceptional flying and photography experience. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or recording dynamic videos, the S197 provides the tools you need for seamless operation and stunning results. Key features: 8K EIS HD dual-lens camera. Capture crisp, high-resolution photos and videos with electronic image stabilization to ensure smooth, shake-free footage. Dual-lens capability allows versatile shooting angles for enhanced creativity. Advanced GPS functionality. One-click return. The drone can automatically return to the takeoff point if the battery is low or the signal is lost. GPS intelligent tracking automatically tracks the target for dynamic shooting. Aircraft search function. View the drone's last known location on a map with distance, latitude, and longitude details. Obstacle avoidance system. Equipped with intelligent obstacle avoidance to detect and avoid obstacles in its flight path, ensuring safe operation. Multi-point planning and fixed points around. Plan routes with multiple waypoints for autonomous flights, allowing you to focus on capturing amazing shots. Fixed points around lets you define a center point and adjust the radius for cinematic circular videos. Gesture control and sharing. Gesture recognition. Use hand gestures within 1 to 3 meters to take photos or start video recording. Instant sharing. Share photos individually or in batches, while videos can be shared one at a time. Foldable and portable design. Folded size, 10 by 14.5 by 6 centimeters. Unfolded size, 27 by 32 by 6 centimeters. Lightweight and compact for easy transport and storage. Long battery life and range. Battery, 3.7V, 2200 mAh for extended flight times. Control distance, reliable connectivity with GPS and 5G Wi-Fi for long-range performance. Additional functions. Optical flow positioning, ensures stable hovering and precise control for professional-grade shots. Screen-controlled remote, a built-in screen on the remote controller provides real-time visuals. Route planning and touchscreen control, simplifies navigation and autonomous flight modes. The S197 GPS drone is your perfect companion for creating professional-grade aerial content. With intelligent features, advanced tracking, and exceptional camera quality, this drone makes capturing breathtaking visuals effortless and fun.